And we're back to learning CapCut in here, day 76. We can also uniform scale our text. Let me go to text, edit default text, and the text basic. Just make sure that you've got your text element selected, and then you can see it on the top right. I've shown you the scale in the last video, but there is a button below called uniform scale. And if you check that, the scale vanishes, but it's not really gone. It's just split up into two different scale options, which are scale width and scale height. So you can just scale it up in one dimension, X or Y. And if you check the uniform scale, it will keep the aspect ratio and you can only scale it up in X and Y at the same time. And you can, for example, create a stretch animation with it, where the text gets stretched in height. And that's what the uniform scale option is for. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.